In this video, let's talk about how to use Wells Fargo student checkings account. Now, the student checking account within Wells Fargo is known as Clear Access Banking. Now, in order to get started, you need to first of all set up and fund your account. If you already have an account, make sure you fund it. If you don't, make sure you create an account online. So you could just search for Wells Fargo Clear Access Banking and just follow the on-screen prompts in order to set up your account. You can activate your account by depositing at least a minimum of $25 via the mobile deposit, and you'll be able to verify your fee waivers. If you are between ages of 13 to 24, you'll get charged monthly $5 service fee, and once you turn 25, you need to maintain a balance of $500 in order to avoid the monthly charges. Now, in order to set up your account, you could either do it using the online banking platform, which is using the web version, or if you also have the Wells Fargo mobile app already installed on your device, you could also use that. You'd be able to use features such as Zelle in order to transfer money, or you could also track your expenses and your spending reports. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.